review the judgment, my lord, that Lordship, Justice Nazir and your Lordship.
Yes,
no,
we remember that teachers.
It is kept for today. Now, in fact, there are so many vacancies. And now the Kurukshetra University has also given a certificate of equivalence. So really, the argument will not take long. But now they have circulated a letter. And in the letter, they have talked of bereavement in the family of the senior. So that completely cuts our legs.
So there is
taking
instruction or file some documents.
No, my lord, we are opposing filing, etc. This is all to delay. Kindly take it up next week, my lord, as the first second item before your lordship starts this bar council matter, my lord. It is high up.
See, bar council matter will affect you also.
No, that's right. I have been hearing it for the last 1 hour, my lord, your lordship. So therefore, and anyway, I have no comments to make. But kindly keep it next week, my lord. Everybody can be accommodated. The people who are now wanting additional documents have already got the job subject to this SLP, to this review. If your lordship recollects, we had filed a writ petition. Your lordship said we are not going to entertain it. Let them be appointed. There are sufficient vacancies. In case you are to get something, you will get. Now they are just trying to postpone the proceedings. They are not going to be affected, is what I am stating.
The vacancies are still there?
Yes, it's more than 600. And the state has filed a counter saying that we are not concerned. The court can decide in any way it wants.
No, that is not true. My state has not filed.
You are appearing for?
Who are you appearing for?
Respondent ballot.
Who are you for the state?
Which respondent?
I am for the respondent with 390. I am for the 24 respondent.
Who are you? This is what we are asking.
Respondent number 398
candidates, selected and appointed.
Selected candidate.
And we have done the ITI diploma.
One by one, let us first understand who he is. You are representing whom?
The candidate who had got degree from proper ITI
and have been selected. And appointed. If 100 more people are appointed and your position is not being disturbed, why should we allow you to intervene in a review procedure?
Not intervening. I was already a petitioner. My lord.
No. Now we will not allow you to even speak a word. We can understand if your seniority is being affected, if your salary is being affected, or if you are being displaced to accommodate them. Of course, you have an entitled to raise a voice. You are standing here opposing some prayer. What right do you have? If 5,000 more people are appointed, but your position is not affected, then what right you have? Don't intervene just because you have to oppose something in basic time of the court. Tell us
our position should not be disturbed, and their degree is not valid, my lord.
Let them appoint 2,000 people without a degree. How are you concerned with that? Are you in a PIL?
No, my lord, no, my lord. My position should not be disturbed.
So if you are a party,
my lord,
you must have that confidence in the highest court of this country.
Yes,
that if anything of the sort is to happen, we will not do it without putting you to notice.
My lord, my lord.
So don't interject in the proceedings unless you find that your position is being disturbed.
My lord.
Sit down now, take your seat. Offer, give him a chair. Now state what is your...
Lord, we have filed the reply, Lord, to saying that the now Kurukshetra University has given the equivalence, Lord, to the...
So appoint them. Let the matter come to an end. Lord, there are shortage of teachers.
Yes, Lord. Yes.
See, you yourself admit.
Lord, there is an order passed by this court, Lord. Unless that till the time this order is there, Lord, we can't appoint them, Lord.
Lord, may I say
instead,
Lord, your lordship may list it next week on the top of the board.
We are trying to find a way out.
Yes,
instead of entering, because the scope of review is very limited.
Yes. So once the state says we are recognized, your lordships at that time had relied upon a letter which was actually not a decision according to us, and it was tentative, and it never said that our degree is not recognized. We have also done the diploma from a Kurukshetra University, not a fly-by-night operator. So therefore, once the state says now Kurukshetra University has declared us equivalent, there are more than 539 posts vacant even today.
See, what we can do is we can record these facts. 539 posts, as you say, vacant.
Correct.
And how many of you are there?
About 400.
400. The government, the university has given equivalence to that.
Correct.
decree or diploma,
Correct.
whatever it is.
Correct.
State has no objection.
So state is free to, your lordship may record that and post it after 10 days. Let us see what the state does.
No, state is before us saying that we have no objection.
That's all right then, your lordship may,
Then what we'll do is we'll permit the state to appoint you, but then it will not act as a precedent. because
yes.
no,
Yeah, no, that,
One more thing, my lord.
that decree is now given.
No, just.
When this writ petition was pending, my lord, Haryana government was not appointing us. So we approached Chandigarh High Court. Chandigarh High Court said, just because a review petition is pending, that does not mean that recruitment should be stopped.
We will observe that those
And
already, those already recruited their position.
Now our recruitment is subject to outcome. of-
So that can be recorded. That will not affect their recruitment.
That will affect, my lord. In case,
Why? We will save you. We will not
my
do
lord,
anything with it.
that should be protected.
You will be protected. How else we can convince you?
My lord.
We are saying
My
this.
lord.
No, may I say, may I say?
Who are you?
I am,
Before saying, tell me
No,
who
no.
are you?
I am the original petitioner, in all the matters. I have filed this SLP.
Hmm.
What happened? They have taken a diploma through franchisee contractor.
Lord, he is a person who has been
Yeah.
appointed.
Just, I am not the only person. There are so many persons. They are in the pipe.